Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Anong oras yung napanood ang ating channel na ito? Anong oras yung nabuksan? Welcome sa lahat, lalo na sa mga bagong subscriber. Nagmumula sa iba't ibang schools dito sa Metro Manila and even sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas. Our lesson for today is about application of first order differential equation, the RC circuits. RC circuits are made up of resistors, capacitors, and an energy source that enables the capacitor to store and discharge energy. Through the resistor, the circuit uses the energy from the voltage source to charge the capacitor. So we have our equation, R times dq over dt plus q over c equals E, wherein the dq dt, this is the rate of the current, no? The current in amperes. R is the resistance in ohms. A, Q, that is the charge in coulombs. Okay? Time, ang T natin. C, capacitance in farads. So that is F, no? E is the voltage source in volts. So this is the illustration, o ito yung ating diagram. So we have here the switch. Okay? So ito yung switch natin. So in this case, open ang switch natin. So kapag magdikit yan, that is the closed circuit. Okay? So we have the battery. So from the battery, papuntang switch, the resistor, and then we have the capacitor, go back to the battery. Okay? Okay, this is the problem. Okay, the RC circuit series. The resistors of 10 ohms, capacitor with 0.01 farad are connected to a battery of 80 volts. When the switch is open, current is zero. Siyempre, dahil hindi pa nga na-on yung switch, siyempre walang current na dumadaloy. Wala ring charge yun na dumadaloy. No? Find the charge at any time t. So we have to find now the model equation. Letter B. What is the charge after 0.5 second when the switch is closed? Letter C. What is the current after 0.5 seconds? Okay? This is our given. Given natin ang ating resistor ay mayroong 10 ohms, ang capacitance natin ay 0.01 farad, ang voltage source natin ay 80 volts. So, this is our formula. So, ang ating R ay 10 ohms. So, R, substitute doon sa yung given natin, substitute natin doon sa formula. So, that is 10 dq dt. Since hindi po natin alam yung charge with respect to time, so hindi pa po natin alam. Plus Q over 0.01 farad equals 80 volts. Okay, so gagawin natin, we have to divide 10. No, itong 10 dapat i-remove natin dito. So we have to divide 10 both sides of the equation or multiply to 1 over 10. So ito, makancel natin si 10 dito. Okay, so kaya mangyari ay ganito. So dq dt na lang to. Tapos, multiply natin si 10 dito sa Q over 0.01. So that is Q divided by 10 times 0.01. And then 80 divided 10 ay 8. Okay, so ito na yung ating equation. So kapag ito i-divide natin, ang 0.01 ay 1 over 100. So 10 divide 1 over 100, so that is 1 over 10. Diba? Pa Q as a law of fraction o property of fraction, Q divided by 1 over 10, kaya nagiging 10Q. Okay? Equals 8. So therefore, our equation now is in linear in Q. Okay, so ito po yung linear in Q na siya. So as we recall doon sa ating linear DE, so yun po ang ating gagawin ngayon. So we are now linear in Q. So ang atin po solution is Q times E raised to, ito yung P natin, di ba? P. So P dt equals, di ba, yung ating variable here, ating constant here. So 8 times the integral of e raised to integral of p dt. Ang p natin is 10, no? So 10 dt. Okay? Then dt. Okay. So ito po yung ating solution using the linear formula natin sa linear DE. Okay? Sunod, integrate natin to. So the integral of 10 dt is 10t. So q times e raised to 10t equals 8 times the integral of again integrate natin ang 10 dt is that is 10t. So e raised to 10t dt. And then mag-lit u tayo dito. So ito yung u natin 10t. So ang du natin ay 10 dt. So ngayon ang gagawin natin, ayan, so nag-lit u tayo. Lalagay natin, so a to the u, substitute natin, yung u natin is e to the u du. Since ang du natin ay 10 dt, okay, but given here ay dt lang, so maglagay tayo ng 1 over 10 dito sa labas, no? So that is 8 over 10. And alam natin, the integral of e to the u du, that is e to the u plus c. Okay, so ayan na po siya, no? Q times e raised to 10t equals 8 over 10 times e to the u plus c. Okay, ito kapag distribute natin, so that is 8 over 10 e to the u plus 8 over 10 c. But alam natin na this constant multiplied to c ay c pa rin ito. Okay? So, ayan. Then substitute natin si u doon sa ating e to the u dito. Kaya magiging ganyan. No? So, q times e raised to 10 e times raised to 10t equals 8 over 10 divided by times e time raised to 10t plus c. So, makita natin, since c na lang to, okay, so plus c lang siya dito. Okay, then divide natin ng e raised to 10 of e raised to 10t. Okay, ito. So, para mag-cancel natin dito ang ating e raised to 10. Raised to 10 t. Okay? So, ang mangyari, q na lang dito. So, that is 8 over 10 dito. Tapos, dito, c over e raised to 10t. Okay? When switch is open, time is 0. And therefore, there is no current. Okay? At kapag time 0, ang q is 0 din. Kasi walang current nga na dumaloy, din wala ding charge. Okay? So, q ay 0. Ang time natin 0. Okay, substitute natin. So, alam natin, ito magiging 1. Okay? So, magiging 1 na lang to. So, c over 1. Yan, c over 1. Tapos, itong 8 over 10, transpose natin sa kabila, kaya naging negative. So, c is equal to negative 8 over 10. That is our value of c. But that is not yet the answer, no? Kasi kinuha pa lang natin yung c value. Okay? So, ito yung ating na-solve kanina. And then we have to substitute c. The value of c is negative 8 over 10. So, therefore, q is equal to 8 over 10 plus minus 8 over 10 times e raised to 10t. So, ito na yung sagot natin sa letter A. No? So, that is our answer for letter A. Pwede naman itong e raised to 10t, pwede natin gawing negative dito. No? So, that is our answer for letter A. Ibig sabihin, we are now finding the charge at any time t. Okay, letter B. What is the charge after 0.5 seconds when the switch is closed? So, ngayon, i-on na natin yung switch. Okay? So, 0.5 seconds, we are asked to find the Q. And using our model equation. So, substitute natin 0.5 seconds. Okay, Q is equal to 8 over 10 minus 8 over 10 times e raised to negative 10.5 times 0.05, 0.5. Okay? Using the calculator, so solve natin. Ang Q natin ay 0.795 coulombs. So, that is the answer for letter B. Okay? So, after 0.5 seconds, ang charge niya ay 0.795 coulombs na. Okay, how about I? Ang I natin ay dq over dt. No? Yun po yung ating, nandun sa original equation natin kanina. Ang current is equal to dq over dt. At alam natin, ang Q ay 8 over 10 minus 8 over 10 times e raised to negative 10t. Okay, yun yung Q natin. So, we have to find the derivative of Q with respect to t. Okay? So, I equals dq over dt. So, we have to find the derivative of Q with respect to t. So, derivative this Q with respect to t. No? And derivative of the constant ay 0. Derivative of negative 810 that times e raised to negative 10 dt t. So, a to the u. So, derivative of u ay negative 10. So, ito po yung matitira. Okay? So, I natin is 8. Positive 8 na kasi pag i-multiply natin itong negative 10 dito, so maging positive 8 times e raised to negative 10 t. So that is I. Now at 5 after 0.5 seconds, ang I natin, so multiply natin ang 0.5 dito sa t. So ang I natin is 0.054 amperes. Okay, that is the answer for letter C. So this is the current after 0.5 seconds nung ang switch natin ay naging close or inopen na natin yung switch natin ino-on natin, no? Ino-on. So when the switch is closed after 0.5 seconds, the amperes na dumaloy doon sa circuit ay 0.054 amperes. All right. So this is your activity to answer, no? I hope you learned from this lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe of this channel. Maraming salamat. This is Engineer Tapia. God bless.